Ang wealth mo is yung nature.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog, and this one is kinda different from our usual art or studio or business vlogs. This vlog is especially for those who just need some break time alone, or just, time with nature. Nature really gives me healing, just helps me to calm down and not care so much about work or other worries. We hope that you enjoy this cozy time and healing time with us. Oh, also, you'll be hearing us talk in our native language, so I'll be putting up some captions for some of the dialogues. But other than that, I just hope you enjoy this video and have a relaxing and cozy time with us. Oh, and just a quick challenge for those plant lovers out there. If you are watching this video, then do join us and let us know how many of the plants you can name. You can put the timestamps and identify them in the comment section below. We'll be so happy to know that a lot of you guys are fans and lovers of plants, okay? Grab a cup of coffee and sit back, relax. Let's enjoy this vlog.
Nakapike daw niya. Dilinatan na. Di pechay da ne kita ho. Biagen.
Pechay da yung dito.
Yung nakadumi grasshopper, Taiwan pechay da. Nakadumi grasshopper, so dati mga norigayang ko yung musta sa kandami pagbalinan na nakita niya fantastic color na dito.
Dito.
Dito Mickey Mouse, dito species ti taro. Dito din Mickey Mouse na gana. Kitain niya kasi lalapayan ka. Shade lang dito. Tapos parang solo coconut. Kasi babasi. Good for one. Maya may. Ito ang lagi ito. Lagi ito kasi pang shade. Uso nga tinadakil nga bulong, di ba? Nandiyan ka doon ni Madjo. May katawa sa... Sa madama, tinag nga bulong kaya kakatawa. Kaya mo madami kaya di pa lang sa akin. Diyan mo na, gala mo na, ni pwede, di pa na uso meten. Diyan mo, monstera, ano yun na, gala. Rubber tree med detta med sig.
Okay.
Hindi na dalas na makasgayan o hindi na makakan. Subsubali, di ko gusto. Nangingi na. Namulmula na ako.
So huge, guys. Look. It's just part of my hand. So huge. Huge. Huge.
Panganak pagyana.
Hindi, di ba?
Aman, hindi. Da yelo kada kodta. Parang ang plant na naman yan. Kung nag-water na tatay, parang lungo na yung daga. Yan, di ba? Oh, look at that. Parang ano ng
Wow.
peacock.
Amazing. Look, may ata. Look at this.
Kasabay. Kasabay yung kasama. Oo, makasama. Pero kung mag-i-project ini, so, pag yung matangam ni DJ, tapos nalakayasan. Parang nahuito.
Weird plants.
Pero mo kung
Unique.
mag-exhibit ka ng mga photos or paintings ng leaves mo. Dati at kalawang na talaga dito.
Oh, yung
Imagine. Ang amin kasi pa at kalawang. No, what makes one leaf different from the other?
Pamigili. Pinagtangsing may tatama. Oo, lagan. Sunod ka na yung tamang kami. Basta po.
Sigo, ayaw mo.
Nakaya, nagkaraw.
So, may lang, dadyo game nga ayaw, dadyo turtle nga character, kay naso nga hot temper. Oh, dagayan ti reason behind.
Sanay suna nga nakapaspalatay. Happy in his own world.
Kinadagsan siya di ba?
Ay, si Kamal siya dabalay na nga magbagkate. May idea na dito is na pocket gardens everywhere. Kasi ti kwami ka ni pwede is hantay nga surutan dagiti 5-star hotel kuna kasi ang wealth mo is yung nature. Basta kitang palasyo. Cute! Dati gigil-girokya na tayo gusto ko. At yung gumamela na pinakasimple. Namaya niya.
Napiga yung simple nga gumamit.
I mean,
Okay guys, I'm back. How many of the plant species were you able to identify? There's always a process before we bloom fully, and let's just embrace that. And just like these plants always know that there is a time and a season for everything. And just to let you know, just like these flowers, you are loved just the way you are and just by being here. See you in our next vlog.